So hello everybody. Today we are going to discuss the third topic of the Python, that is strings. So let's see what happens in strings. So it is strings in the Python. So the first one is declaring multi-line strings. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे कि जैसे कोई string है या फिर कहते हैं statement है that we have to declare in multi-line or say that we have to write in the multi-line. So what is the syntax for that? The syntax for that is three double comma on the percentage of the string. Like ये तीन डबल कॉमा ऊपर रखेंगे फिर लिखेंगे ऑरेंज आर ऑरेंज इन कलर. Then these are the multi-line comment, or we can say string. Okay, now what is the second point? It is an array. Okay, so the string that we have written here, it is an array. For example, let's suppose we have declared a variable x, that is a type of a string. It is predefined in case of Python. Okay, so now what we have declared x equal to double comma hello world. Okay, now if we say कि print x equal to x bracket में 1, then it will give e. So how this printed? Let's see, x equal to double comma HELLO. So what the arrays do? So the first element in an array is of index 0 and the second element of the array is of index 1. So whenever we put the index 1, then it will goes to second element of the array. So the second element is e. In case if we have written it x equal to 3, actually sorry, x bracket in 3, so it will goes to index 3. Index 3 means element number 4th. Okay, so first element, second element, third element, or fourth element. So this will be the value. So what will the output? It will be l. ठीक है, h. So I hope ये clear होगा. Now the third point is length of a string. Print len x. So what is this len? Len is a predefined function that is set in case of the Python. So it is written len x. So len x means it will be printing the length of the string. So it will give almost, see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So it will give 12. Okay, now check some word. So if you want to check that some word like here we are checking it the. So if this present in the string that we have written or not, so print the in x. So output will be false because no the is there. If we have put in here hello hello, then it will be true because hello is present here. Now the fourth point is slicing a string. So what is mean with slicing string? It we have to cut the string from somewhere to somewhere, not from the start to end. Okay, so see here it is written print x bracket 1 is to 5, 1 is to 5, not it is 1 semicolon 5. So this means that the print all the values of array x from the indices 1 to 5. So we have to see 1 2 3 4 5. So it will print e double l comma. Okay, so from no sorry, the comma will not be there because it prints from first to fifth, not the fifth one. First to fifth means 1 2 3 4 only, that one, not the fifth one. So e double l, that much only. Okay, so this will print e double l. It put numbers in negative, it will starts from the putting back from the back side. So if we, in case if be written as minus 3 to minus 2, then it will yeah, start immediately from here, like 0 and this is given to this one, minus 1 given to this one, minus 2 given to this one, something like that. And if you written minus 1 to 2, it will print d and l. Okay, so that's all. Now if you want to make the hello world, for case if you have written uh, h e double l o w r o l d, here the h is capital letter. Okay, now if we want to make this h to be lowercase, here it is uppercase, that means capital letter. If we want to make it a small letter, then simply we have to just integrate one function that is predefined in the case of the Python, that is print x upper semicolon. So in case of upper, if you have to put lower, when you have put lower, the output will be h e double l o w r l d. In case if we have written in a small letter here, in case, then the if we put the upper function, then it will move to capital letter. Okay, that's all. Now the fifth point is replacing word. So what are we doing? print x replace h to y, output will be yellow word. So what we are doing, we are doing the h, all the h word that will be available in the string, that will change to y. So in case here only one h is there, it is hello world, so that will be changed to yellow world. Okay, that's all. Now the uh, the sixth function is splitting a string. Okay, a splitting a string. So print x split ये कॉमा एंड वो रहता है सिंटैक्स होता है, ठीक है. सो आउटपुट विल बी हेलो डब्ल्यू एंड वर्ल्ड. हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे कि जो फंक्शन स्ट्रिंग है हेलो और वर्ल्ड, इसको हम लोग स्प्लिट करते हैं. एच ई डब्ल्यू एल ओ एलो, दिस विल बी वन अदर स्ट्रिंग. वर्ल्ड डब्ल्यू आर एल डी, वर्ल्ड इज अनदर स्ट्रिंग, ठीक है. तो हम लोग उसको स्प्लिट करते हैं स्ट्रिंग को. नाउ द सिक्स सेवंथ पॉइंट इज एडिंग स्ट्रिंग्स. सो हाउ वी आर एडिंग द स्ट्रिंग्स हियर. सो लेट्स सी. So let's suppose a is our another string HWLO and b is the other string WWL. So print simply a plus, we have to just make it one space, that's why we have written one space and in double comma and plus b, and the output will be hello and world. So I hope this makes much more easier for you to understand the strings part of the Python.